don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is pretty much just an updated video. As you can see from the title, I will be giving an update on my jewelry pieces that I've gotten from Ana Luisa. If you don't know what Ana Luisa is or who they are pretty much a jewelry brand that specializes in gold plated jewelry. They do have some real diamond jewelry pieces as well, for obviously a more expensive price, but they do specialize in gold plated jewelry that are water resistant. They don't change, and even if they do change, like, you have to have them for a while. And trust me, I've had pieces for a long time without them changing. So that's basically what they are, just a jewelry company that sells gold plated jewelry that doesn't change quickly and it lasts for a while on a budget. Like, they're very cheap, and like I said, they do have other pieces that are like actually real diamond pieces, but just at a more expensive price point. So this video is basically just to update you guys on my jewelry, or the pieces, or update you guys on the pieces that I've gotten from them in the past. Now, I have worked with them multiple times, so I know I have jewelry from them that's been like a year, 2 years, and also jewelry that I've gotten maybe like 6 months ago. So I just want to give you guys an update based on the different time frames. But yeah, with that being said, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, this video is a jewelry updated video on Ana Luisa, just to let you guys know how my jewelry are and give my honest opinion on whether or not I would actually continue getting jewelry from them or call it quits, basically. So with Ana Luisa, they have sent me earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and if you guys know, I'm always in jewelry. I love jewelry. So whenever I get certain jewelry pieces, I'm hoping that I am able to wear them all the time. So I've gotten a few pieces from them. I don't remember their names exactly, but I might have to go on their website to check to let you guys know their specific the specific names of each jewelry pieces, just if you guys would love to purchase them, then you guys know exactly which one it is. But while I'm talking right now, I do have some pieces on that is from them, and like I said, some of these pieces that I wear are like my everyday pieces. Like this bracelet, I've gotten this bracelet from them like a year ago, and normally it takes a while for it to change. It is changing now, to be honest. So this bracelet is changing now, but I've had this bracelet for a while and I've had it on ever since I've gotten it. I've never taken it off unless I'm going out and I'm wearing like silver jewelry. If not, I keep this on. As long as I'm wearing gold, I never take it off. I take a shower in it, and this is how it's looking. I don't know if you can see it. It's not really, so for the most part it is still looking fresh. If somebody is supposed to be looking on it like on camera or from far away, it will look like I do have on a real gold piece. If you're supposed to come up close, obviously you're gonna see some little changes in it. I don't know if you guys are actually seeing it, but you might see 1 and 2 parts stripping, just because this one I've had for a very long time. But yeah, another piece that I've been wearing every single day are I think these are the gold Huggie hoops. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it's called. These are like my everyday earrings. Like, I'm always wearing this. The only reason why I'm not wearing this today is just because I've gotten some new pieces from them and I wanted to switch it out. But I've gotten this, maybe, I don't want to lie, but my last Ana Luisa review, my last review was 7 months ago from them. So this one I've gotten 7 months ago, and I'm telling you, I've been wearing this every single day since I've gotten it, and to be honest, they still look brand new. nothing's changed, nothing, like literally nothing's changed, hasn't stripped, and I shower in them. Only time I take the pieces off is when I'm going out and I'm wearing a silver silver accessories. But apart from that, this earring and this bracelet and also this necklace that I'm wearing, they are my everyday necklace, earring, and bracelet. My everyday jewelry pieces that I wear every single day. I take showers in them, and I'm telling you guys, they don't change. This one I've had for a long time, so that's why when I see little changes in it, it's understandable. But this was 7 months ago and it's still brand new. There's no changes, nothing at all. It still looks brand new. This necklace that I have on, it's another everyday necklace that I wear. And I think this one is called, for some reason I don't think this necklace is on the website anymore, but this is another everyday jewelry that I wear, and it is from Luisa, like I said. And honestly, I've had this over a little over a year now, and maybe just the back part of the pendant that's changing a little bit, but it's not changing drastically to the point where if someone's supposed to look at you, they're gonna say like, girl, your necklace is changing, you need to get a new one. Nothing like that. It is literally like minimal changes, minimal maybe scratches. And like I said, I wear these jewelry every single day. They're not real gold pieces, so the fact that I've had them on for so long, I've taken showers in them, if I'm going swimming and I have them on, and the changes on them is like minimal. Sis, what else more do you need? I also have this necklace from them. I think this necklace was 6 months ago or 7 months ago, and nothing, like literally nothing has changed. Nothing. Let me just come up close. Nothing. It's literally the same thing. The chain itself is still on point. The pendant, nothing. This is the back of the pendant, which if any part is supposed to start like changing or rusting, it would be right here. Nothing has changed. Even for the earrings too. I just want to mention that for me, if it's not real gold, my ears normally start hurting and I have to take it off right away. Like I start getting pain in my ears, so I know like I'm gonna get like some sort of like bacteria from it. And if it's not real gold, I can't wear it. Like I literally can't. So the fact that these are gold plated and I wear the gold earrings every day without my ears hurting, none of that, I don't get any pain, I don't get sores, I don't get any bacteria from it. For me, that's a win. A win is a win at this point. And that's what I love about their jewelry pieces. Even though it's not real gold, it literally acts as real gold pieces, so you don't need to worry about your ears hurting, you getting bacteria, or catching any form of infection from their jewelry pieces. And the fact that they don't change, and also their pieces are very elegant, and that's what I like since recently I've been in my elegant era. I don't want anything that's too outrageous, I don't want anything too fussy, and I like the fact that all their pieces are very simple, classy, and elegant. That's what I love most about them, and the fact that it's cheap doesn't change. I have another piece that I've gotten from them, and this piece, I've actually gotten this piece a while now. I'm going to say this is probably over a year as well. I don't wear this every day, so that's why it's still intact. I feel like if I was wearing it every day religiously, like how I'm wearing the bracelet, this necklace, and the earring, then probably there would have been like a little bit of like, you know, changes in it, but there's none, absolutely none. The chain itself is still in good condition. You don't see any form of like rust, any form of silver to show that it's changing, none of that. And that's just because I don't wear it every day. But for some jewelry pieces, even if you don't wear them, because I have jewelry pieces that I don't wear them every day, they're not real gold, like I've gotten it from companies or whatever, they're not real gold, and I don't wear them every day, I just leave them and they still change. So the fact that it didn't change at all, you should know. I have a lot more pieces from them, to be honest, but I don't know where they are. I just moved, so all my pieces are pretty much like all over the place. But for the most part, I've combined pieces that I've gotten 6 months ago, pieces that I've gotten a year ago, just so you guys can see the difference. Pieces that I wear every day and pieces that I don't wear every day. For me, would I continue shopping with Ana Luisa? Definitely. They're just my go-to for classy, elegant, gold-plated jewelry. The fact that the pieces, for me, it's just the fact that the pieces are cheap, the fact that the pieces are elegant, and the fact that they don't change. What more would you want? Like, girl, what more would you want? And like I said, for those that prefer to actually buy real pieces, they do have real pieces as well on their website. They have real diamond pieces that looks literally out of this world. And if you're like me and you're a girly girl and you really love pieces that are like just simple and cute and give elegance, then you would definitely love Ana Luisa's jewelry pieces. But that's it. That's pretty much it from my updated review on the jewelry pieces I've gotten from Ana Luisa. I've recently gotten these earrings, and I've gotten some more pieces. I've gotten another necklace and I've gotten another earring, which I'm going to probably wear and pay close attention to them as well. So if anything, I'll probably give an updated video on those as well. So the more pieces I get from them, I'm gonna come along and give you guys like more updates on the pieces. But yeah, for now, this is the end of this video. Once again, this is a review, an updated review on Ana Luisa and how much I love the jewelry pieces and just the upkeep of the jewelry pieces, to let you guys know if it's worth getting, if it's worth your money, if it's worth buying, if it's worth investing in, or should you not get these pieces. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Oh, by the way, before I go, all the jewelry pieces that I mentioned in this video will be down in the description box. The pieces that are probably not on the website anymore will not be down there, because what am I gonna link if they're not on the website anymore? But for the pieces that are still there, I will definitely link the pieces down below so you guys could see the ones that I chose and the ones that I personally love. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
That's it.